All right, welcome back. Lastly, you can just add a stroke around the invites sections and give it corner radius of your choice to just make it look like this. So now we're going to make the last screen, which is just going to be an overlay for the user to log out. Then we now connect the final prototype for this particular user profile section. So let's navigate to user profile setting here and add the overlay that will enable them to log out and all that. Okay, so let's take our frame of size. It's going to be 362. What is our frame size? Let's check. 402. So this is going to be 402. Okay, then we leave the height as it is, 350. So let's give it a corner radius of only the top section. So this is going to be, let's see, 25, and here 25. Okay, let's make it 30 by 30. All right, that's perfect. Okay, so let's take a copy of this logout and add it to the screen. Only the icon, Alt key, and add it here. Okay, then we'll switch to a scale to scale it bigger a bit. .40 by 40 is okay. All right, so we're going to add the text here. Are you sure? You want to log out. So we're going to include this here, and these two should come to the middle. Okay, then we're going to have two forms here that will say yes and no. That's just two buttons. Okay, so let's select this and also revert it to our active color. And this text too is going to be our body small text. All right, so we need button here that will do that. So let's go to that last screen and just copy that, the buttons we just designed, so that we can change it. So let's copy this invite button. Just copy it, Ctrl C, or you can Alt key drag to the overlay. All right, we'll bring it here and paste it. All right, so let's change the text to yes logout. Okay, so that will go to the right. Then we'll make another copy to the left. I'll say cancel. Okay, now in the cancel one, we're going to revert the text to our active color. Then we'll remove the fill and give it stroke. A stroke, and we're going to change the stroke color to our active color as well. Then for consistency, since the text is much here, is longer here, so we have to make the both of them the same width. So if you select this one, the width is what? 93. So let's bring this one to 93. All right, that's perfect. Now you can now select the two and balance the positioning. Then let's take it up. Okay, now select this, select the two first and group them, then select the three and align them properly to the center and distribute their vertical spacing too. Let's make it 20. So you can now group them together. And one more thing again, let's switch to scale tool and scale it. Scale it again, and then that's perfect. We can select the frame and turn on our, we scale it again, and they switch to scale so that you know, so let it snap exactly the same size with the grid. We'll now go back to the last video where we'll connect all the prototype. See you there.